So next, let's start looking at functions or equations, okay? We start at 0, 0, which is really here. I think that's why I had that up before. So this point here is 0, 0, okay? Now, if we go up 1 over 1, making basically a basic staircase. In fact, this is very frequently a pattern that a lot of people use for stairs, right? This has a mathematical equation associated with it. This is x equals y. So if I come over here, let's do this down here too. Oops, removed the wrong one. Okay, there we go. And we need one here. So this, we can just keep going in either direction, either the negative direction or the positive direction. And I'm on the wrong side again, so let me either the positive direction or the negative direction. So this one's actually reverse because I did it on the other side. But y equals x, we get that vertical line, and then y equals negative x is, you'll see that this line looks the exact same. So can you see, if we zoom out here a little bit, that red line looks the same as this pink line. That's because we just mapped the function y equals negative x. Or I guess the equation y equals negative x. So, and then if we go the other way, so let's get rid of some of these blocks. And actually, let me grab a different, let's go these green planks for this, just to make it a little clearer. And then if we want to go the other way, we can do this. So again, this is frequently a pattern that people use for staircases, right? One block down, one block over. So the staircases are set at a 45-degree angle, and we would be able to confirm that through other mathematics. That's more of like a trigonometry type of situation, right? We'll get to trigonometry. That's in the works. That's something we're going to talk about. But if we come here and then watch this, when I remove this negative, you see how it flips the other way? There we go. So now they look similar, right? We see that the diagonal line looks similar in both directions. Now, Minecraft doesn't, like, there are other things, there are other equations that we can use in Minecraft. This particular equation is useful because, again, it's just it makes the most sense for things like stairs. But let's try to modify it just a little bit. Let's start at 0, 0 still. And let's go over 2, up 1. Right? So this is a more gradual staircase. Okay, we're going to go over 2 and up 1. over 2 and up 1. And actually, let's leave this one just because Minecraft kind of requires that, right? Over 2 and up 1. Over 2, up 1. There we go. And that means we go over... I didn't start that in the right place. Over 2, up 1 would be here. Over 2, up 1. Over 2, up 1. Over 2, up 1. So 1, 2, up 1. 1, 2, up 1. 1, 2, up 1. 1, 2, up 1. 1, 2, there we go. And for now, I am going to remove this one. Oh, I had that. 1, 2, up 1. Goes there. 1, 2, up 1. 1, 2, up 1. 1, 2, up 1. 1, 2, up 1. There we go. So 1, 2, down 1. 1, 2, down 1. 1, 2, down 1. 1, 2, down 1. Right? We get this nice gradual. So it's the same line. So it creates a line. It's just more gradual, right? So if you wanted your staircase to be more gradual, this would be more of the path you would take. So over here, this is, so it's over 2, up 1, right? So we have slope, except we're doing, let's see here. So I think it's actually this way. Yeah, it's more like that. 2y equals x, right? So over 1, 2, up 1, 1, 2, up 1, 1, 2, up 1. So this is a more gradual staircase, right? And using slope, we can just, so if we just add another block here before we go up 1, so it's over 3, 1, 2, 3, up 1. 1, 2, 3, up 1. One too far. Whoops, and then get rid of that. So this slope here is an even more gradual staircase, right? So this one looks like this on this graph. So what that means is if you are wanting to plan, like let's say that you're mining and you want a nice gradual, you want it to taper off when you get to the level that you want to get to, right? You can change the slope. So instead of going down so steep like this, whoops. So instead of going down so steep, you change that negative. So if you're going down to bedrock level this way, right, that's a really aggressive, steep climb, right? You can slow that down a little bit by making it more gradual, So down 1 over 3, down 1 over 3, down 1 over 3, right? You could even go really gradual, down 1 over 5, down 1 over 5. Now, the only time you would want to use that gradual is for something like when you get to a level that you want to get, that you want to mine a little bit more, you're going to slow it down a little bit, right? So it's closer to like a piecewise function. If you're familiar with that concept in mathematics. If not, you could ask your math teacher to explain it to you. I'm sure you'll get to it. But this is the idea, right? And what's nice about this is we can actually calculate precisely, if we know about how long it takes you to remove each block, we can calculate fairly precisely how long it's going to take you to get down to level negative 38 for mining diamonds or bedrock level.